Hello, today we're going to take a look at managing access control and doors within QxControl. And just a quick reminder, we can actually operate the doors within the live page using the door widgets, just like we see here. Also, we can find door related events on the search page. So for example, if we look for access granted, by using that tag, we can see any recent access granted events related to the doors. You will see the badge ID photo related to the people page in the thumbnail, and you can actually click on that and see any associated video with that door event, such as here. If we scrub through, we'll see Dan is swiping his credential and entering the door. So now we go to the doors page itself, and you'll see first of all any doors within scope that have been installed will appear here on the doors page. At the very top of the page we'll see add door. This is where we add a new door, very easy to do. Also at the top of the page is actions, and these actions at the top of the page will be taking place for all doors within scope. For example, if we want to do a scope-wide lockdown, this is where we would do that. So we would lock down all doors in scope. We can also release. Also, if we've updated users and schedules and things like that, we'll want to modify the door controllers themselves. By taking this top level action here, we can modify all door controllers at one time. Now you see here below we have the door card itself, and it looks very similar to the door widget in live, where we do get status for the door itself. We can also pulse lock just by clicking on the padlock icon there. Also within the menu in the lower right, just like in live, we can pulse lock, unlock, or lock indefinitely. We can revert to schedule. We can also do a lockdown of this door itself. We can also click on that door card and enter the door page, and we can take many of these same actions where we can do a pulse unlock and all the same actions that we have in the door card and the door widget within live and doors page. If we scroll down here, we can see live video. So this is video for the camera that is associated to this door. So we are looking live. It's what is occurring outside the door. Also, you're going to see any recent events, and this is a left to right swipe. So this is not just easy to use on your computer. It's also very easy to swipe this with your finger and look at recent events from your mobile device. Also displayed is the unlock or lock schedule that is associated with this door. If we go to the settings page at the top here, we'll look at the settings that are associated with the door controller itself, such as the IP address, login credentials, and these places and scope where this door controller is located. Also, we can go and edit the door itself, so we can rename that door. We can change which camera is associated. We can configure the associated readers. We can also change things like the delay time.